I'll say the most important day of my life. I'll say the next half of my life it will be with her. So this means very special to me.
इश्क की धूल रोज जलाए, उठता धुआं तो कैसे छुपाए.
One thing which I would say about my sister is that she is my second half. You know, nothing has been hidden from the two of us. When it comes to our love relationships, when it comes to our studies, anybody who has failed, kiska bhi signature forge karna hai, we have been both of us together in any kind of crime, in any kind of success.
रंग जाए तेरी कस्तूरी.
I went to the gym with Tanisha one day, and Tanisha was like, oh, okay, this is the guy that, we've been talking a little bit since the past couple of days, and I kind of like him. I think he also kind of likes me. So I was like, okay, go talk to him, no, then. And then she was like, no, I don't want to do that. I'm too shy and all that. So I just went up to Inder and I was like, Inder, listen, Tanisha kind of likes you. Can you just talk to her? And then Inder was like, oh, okay. And then I think that's how things kind of started between them.
Few days back, few weeks back, it looked like yes, Tanisha is getting married, and maybe it's just a dream, and we were not feeling the heat. But now when the time is coming close, tomorrow is her marriage, she is going to a different house altogether. It feels very different. It feels it
Yeah, I'm waiting to see him. I did have a small little peep from the window, but then yeah, I am very excited to see him.
When she was born, I remembered the nights, we used to take shifts to take care of them. She always used to be, I don't know whether you've noticed or not, she's very wide-eyed. When I was a young dad, apparently she used to recognize me. And her eyes, throughout the night, she never used to sleep. And always used to be looking out of the window.
I love her more than my life, right? And I would like to bless both of my daughters, right? The happiest, whatever is the most happiest thing in this world, I will bless my daughters with
that. She's been a kind who's basically very submissive, who would like to live for others more than for herself. Even if she doesn't have a job, if she's not able to make ends meet, she won't have food. But she'll ensure that I get to have my food. Sorry, now I'm out. It's Indrajit.
And he's the love of my life, so I'm very, very happy.
So he's actually still an introvert because the first friend request or follow request or the communication that we had was on LinkedIn. He's very supportive of whatever I do or whatever I want to do or whatever my dreams are, even if it's wrong or right. He never questions me, he never asks me that do you want to do it. He's like, go ahead, do it. If it doesn't work out, we'll see what happens. But he's always there, and I feel that if he's there, I don't need anybody else.
Tanisha is always right. I love about that.
पर अभी तो ये लेफ्ट में खड़ी है भाई.
पहले जिम में दूर से देखा that she was very fair. तो देखा तो ट्राई किया that पटा सकते हैं क्या. And somehow it worked out.
तेरे इश्क दा